I didn't have the question in front of me here. You probably have a...
Check it out. My man here's talking to a fellow, I think his name's Bob or Bill, in South Africa. I think he's a Zed Sierra too. Check it out, man.
Okay, just here. Florida generally sounds good at this time.
That's him.
Good night to you and yours. N2 JS ZS6 DCY. Okay, then. Take care. Good night.
Check it out. My man's S9 from South Africa. The band's astounding tonight. No noise and the signals are loud.
Bravo Romeo Yankee. Yeah, right on cue. Whiskey 6. Bravo Romeo Yankee. Good to see you, brother. You're very loud. Yeah, you're usually your usual loud signal over here. Bill, good morning. And good to...
He would never hear me, but the QRP in me says, call him, damn it. I got a story for you. There was an old bastard that keyed up about 5 minutes ago, man, and he didn't throw out his call sign, right? He just keyed up, and he was loud. He was 30 dB over 9 on my S meter, and I don't know where this guy was at. I forget his call, but man, he just keys up out of nowhere, man. He sounded like he's like 90. Hey, Bill, yeah, it's been a long time, and I thought I'd throw out there, Bill, you're about 35 dB over 9 on my 4 elements over 4. How goes it, sir? And I do believe he had 4 over 4 stacked Yagis on 40. And I again bent the pixels on my meter, man. And he didn't even have the decency to toss out a call sign first. Just keys up. Disregards all the other hams in the world calling him.